Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we're gonna see how to record a video using PowerPoint. To do that, please go to File and create a new slide or whatever the slide you want to present. Just take that and go to Slideshow and click Record Slideshow. And either if you want to record from the current slide, click Record from current slide. If you want to record from the beginning of the slide, click Record from beginning. I'm gonna just record it from the beginning, doesn't matter. So now it's been recording in, oh, I'm sorry, it's not recording yet. You just have to click record. In the meantime, just would like to show you what else we can do with this slide. While we are recording, it does have a lot of graphical additional features. Like you know you can you can use this to you can use this as your cursor, and you can use this as a pen, if you want to. All these annotations will be recorded when you click record, and you can even use this to highlight something. It's like a full-blown presentation like you do for your office, or office, or like, I don't know, anywhere, whatever you um and when you click record, it's gonna start recording. Also, before I do that, like, I also would like to let you know that, in the settings you can select your microphone and camera. Please make sure you select your correct microphone. um, and let's click record and see how we can record. All right. Hello, this is a sample presentation, and I just do this presentation just to teach people how to record um, using Microsoft PowerPoint. That's it. Let's click stop. So it's recorded, and you can go to the next slide and do the recording again, and next slide, next slide. It's, you can do, also, if you want to have your um, video to be shown here, you could turn your camera on, or you could just click Control K. It's gonna turn on your camera. And let's go back and see how we can save this recording. Now you can see, um, you have this recording. If you want to play it, you could click this play button here, so it's gonna play your record. um, let's see. Yeah, see, I can hear myself. I'm not sure if you can. um, so, and if you have any recording, so on this slide it's gonna show play button here. Since I didn't record anything, it didn't show anything here. But, like, over here you would see a small speaker button, and you could just click this play, and it's gonna play. And for example, like, you recorded multiple videos and you would like to save it as a you would like to create it as a video. you know for that, please go to File, Export, create a video, and you could choose Ultra HD, Full HD, HD, or Standard. uh, if you want to use, if you want to export it to YouTube, you might want to use Full HD, because YouTube allows Full HD. And I'm just gonna, this is, since this is for a sample, I'm just gonna use standard 480 pixel. And here you could use your record timings. I would like to use recorded timings and narrations. And create video. Let me click, and it's gonna ask you where you wanna save this, and I'm just gonna save this in the documents. Let's click save, and it's gonna, now you can see the progress of your video. See, it's been created. You could see it here, and voila, this is done. Now you can go to your documents and use your video, and you could upload it on YouTube, or use it for your presentation or anything. That's it for today. Thank you.